Sunday morning, like 7:30. Carabao. Good boy. How are you? Puppies. Go get that Carabao, Vader. Go get it. Go get the Carabao. It's a big boy. I don't think you can do it. Vader. Philippine Carabao. Majestic, large, workhorse. Workhorse of the Philippines. Philippines tractor. Carabao. They're pretty nice and gentle. They know ya. They know you. If they don't know you, you better not get too close. Pretty powerful. Swing them horns. Yeah. Close as I'm going to get right now. What do you say, boy? Huh? What do you say, boy? What do you say, boy? Yeah, beautiful. Super strong. Yeah. I've been in an area where they still use a lot of Carabaos for like everything. And they're awesome. Okay, everyone. Sunday, no work, no wall progress, no nothing. We got a beauty pageant thing to go to for the Fleet Reserve Association. This Carabao's cool here. Drinking coffee and sitting here with the Carabao. Okay, more again later. Bye-bye.